We are in the horticulture garden.
Gardens in Devon. Look at these plums, beautiful, absolutely wonderful. John's got to walk with me because I'm not as quick as he is. I don't know what this is. Not sure. Oh, there's some fruit here, John. Oh, apples? Is it apples? Oh, they feel plummy. They feel furry.
Oh, it might be nectarines or peaches. Yeah, they're peaches.
Peaches. There's a really good.
Wow.
Give them a good view of their peaches.
You can see the bum. Sort of like
You don't get this in London, guys, do you? Well, you do, but you have to really search it out. It seems to grow so easily here.
You know what that big one is there?
What, this?
Yeah.
What's this, John?
Fennel.
Fennel? So they've got a smell to it?
Yeah. Crush it and you can eat it.
First, haven't you?
You can even just eat it like this.
Ooh, that smells so
So
strong.
aniseedy.
Guys, this is fennel. If I could get the smell to come through the screen, I would, but like, it's not.
Smell-o-vision.
It's not possible. Let's go around this side because we haven't seen anything on this side yet.
What's this?
Spring onions.
Or,
What is it? It's onion, isn't it?
do you want an onion?
No. Show them it's onions. What are they called?
I couldn't tell. Look a bit,
I don't know what they're called. If anyone knows what they're called,
look a bit
please.
chivy, but
Please do let us know.
I don't think it is.
Sunflowers, everyone knows about sunflowers, you know. These, I don't think the sunflowers, even my sunflowers didn't do that well this year. And I think even though they were sunflowers, the heat was affecting them because they need so much water. And if you ain't got the time to water sunflowers, even though they're sunflowers, they will die. Well, they won't die, they just don't flourish, do they? Is this lavender?
No.
No, it looks like it a bit though, doesn't
A
it?
bit like a mint. Yeah, mint. Smell it.
Mint.
Rub your hands on it and smell it.
This is mint.
This is rhubarb.
Mmm.
Do you like rhubarb?
Not really. I like rhubarb. I like rhubarb crumble.
There's a leather bag.
Oh, look at this rosemary.
This is lavender. I'll get you in there.
This is lovely. Smell it. These
No.
guys, these herbs smell so strong
You've
you
got
wouldn't
rub
even
it.
believe it. Rub it.
Yeah, like crush it in your hand.
Crush it in my hand. Crush it in my hand. John said, crush it in my hand. Mmm. Oh, do you know something? These smell so strong. This is called bindweed, I think. Ugh.
Bindweed is
Look at this. Bindweed creeps with an evil grace, a pale white bloom, a deceiving face. No, let's get away from that. I don't like it. Do you know what this is called?
I think it's mallow.
There's no sign in here. So
But
I'm not
all
It's
these-
very strong.
These are really good to eat, apparently.
Yeah. And this
Boiled.
is solid. This is like so strong.
I swear they could get Viagra from that.
Remember, get your little bag.
Yeah.
For you.
I'll take
Get a
one.
little bag over there. Carry a bag. Bash it. Bash it with Viagra. A wheelbarrow of Viagra for John. Oh look, there's names on the wheelbarrows here as well, look.
Kyle.
We've got Emma. Or maybe it's the names of the person they belong to, or have they actually named the wheelbarrows? We've got Emma. Kylie.
Oh, Kylie.
Josh, we've got Craig at the back. And we've got Boogie. And John.
Have you? Yes.
John. Come here, John.
John boy.
John, come round here. John. Look, John's got his own wheelbarrow. I mean, you can't make this up. You can't make these up. John's got his own wheelbarrow. Where's Hazel?
Yeah, we got. Oh, we'll just go and get a bit of paint. Paint one.
Do you know what? What I probably would do is, if it was me, because there's no Hazel, I think I'd probably take John's.
Yeah, you're welcome.